Let's talk about the difference between past and past. These two words sound exactly the same, but they are different parts of speech and they have different meanings. This past is a noun. It means the past, something that already happened. It's a thing. Don't even think about it. It's all in the past. She didn't like talking about the past. It was painful. This past is the past participle of the verb to pass. This verb has many different meanings. One of the main meanings is when you go by or around something. He passed me on the street. He went around or by me. It can mean, when you have something in your hand and you give it to someone else, you pass it to them. He passed me the mashed potatoes at dinner. It can also mean to, do above a certain point on a test, and like to do well on that test, to pass that test. I passed my history exam yesterday. So in speaking, you're never going to mix these two up because they sound exactly the same. But when you go to write them down, that's when they might cause some trouble. So think about which one you need. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.